Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something from Taiwan, and it's from Mr. Tseng. This is, I don't know if it's new, I don't think it is, but it's new to me. This is their Spicy Dolar. Spicy Dolar, right there. And so this takes a little bit extra long to cook, so let's get it happening. A little bit different too than most that I've seen. We shall see how it goes. A big pot over here full of boiling water. And a difficult pack. Come on. There you go. You get 4 packs in one of those big things. I want to thank the folks at Tseng Noodle for shooting these over. And these are a little different than most of the dry noodle I'm used to. These are thinner. Dropping them in. You get that, and you get 2 liquid sachets, and you're good. 5 minutes. So the instructions are a little different too. Usually it's cook, drain, add sauce, you're done. This one has a little bit more to it. It wants you to reserve a little bit of the liquid, doesn't say how much, from the noodle, and then add that in at the end with everything, which is like, okay, how much? Doesn't say. So I'm just gonna go with a little bit. It also said cook between 4.5 and 5.5 minutes, so I am literally doing that at cooking it at 5 minutes. So, and I'm using my I like to boil over pot. I think it's behaving itself. So yeah. Speaking of Taiwan, hopefully I'll be headed over there next year. Or no. Wow, that's this year. Cool. Since 2014, I've gone on a neat trip to Asia every year, except for 2018, which was like, oh. But, I don't know, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, I can't complain. So, wait, right? Really? Yeah. 4 trips. But this year it'll be my 3rd time to Taiwan, which I have no problem with. I love Taiwan. It's one of the neatest places I've ever been to. They've got, I don't know, it's just the way everything is. The smells, the sounds, everything. I love Taiwan. But you gotta know also, there's a lot of places I'd love to check out too. I really want to check out Hong Kong, China, Japan, South Korea. Oh, probably should check out Vietnam. But Hong Kong, that one's really high on my list. I'm very, very curious about Hong Kong. So yeah. I loved Malaysia. Oh my God. That place was off the hook. Anyways. Yeah. Cooking some noodles. Miles is home today. He woke up feeling rather ill, cranky. My wife saw fit that he should stay home. Good decision. And now he seems to be happy as a clam, so that's good. I'll take it. And go back to school day after tomorrow. But yeah. And he's being really good because we're going to take this one I'm reviewing right now and do a spicy noodle mukbang with it. So he's in a good mood. That puts me in a good mood. Everybody's happy. All is well. Yeah. So, noodles. What's something weird I can tell you about noodles? There's a mazillion different kinds of them. I've seen some weird ones recently, but I haven't seen any fruit noodles yet. Noodles specifically just made out of fruit. I've seen noodles made from, oh, there's mung bean thread, there's sweet potato thread, there's a bunch of different threads, rice noodle, buckwheat noodle, rice and wheat noodle, brown rice noodle. Somebody was just asking about brown rice noodle. There's a brand called Kenko Foods that makes an excellent brown rice noodle. The noodle that we're doing today is a guanmian style noodle, thinner than the flat traditional sized one, but this I think is also a traditional size. And God, who was it? I think it was Nong Shim made one, a rice noodle that was hollow. So it was like a long, really, really thin, kind of like macaroni. I never understood. I mean, it made it feel like it was a thicker noodle without having all that huge amount of extra chew that a rice noodle that thick would impart. Plus, you didn't have to cook it as long as a rice noodle like that size would impart. So that, I think, was the idea behind that. Hey! Alright. Well, let's see what we got. We got drainable or strainer. We got drainables, and we gotta save some of this. I just don't know how much. I'm gonna just go. Oh, that's not gonna work. Let's not pour this on myself. So there. I don't know if I even want that much. I like my dry noodle dry. Alright, so that's a lot. That's too much. That's a bit. That's a bit. I wish they would say how much, but they don't. It quite literally says here, add noodles to boiling water, gently stir them loose, cook 4.5 to 5.5 minutes with medium to high heat, turn off the heat and drain the noodles, reserve some cooking water, put sauce in a bowl and add 10 milliliters cooking water. 10 milliliters? Are you high? That's not even a tablespoon. Interesting. Okay. Alright. Well, all is not lost. We can certainly do that. You see the eyes. The eyes are kind of jacked up, so sometimes I'm not so... Actually, that ends up looking like maybe 10 milliliter. But we'll do it the way they want it, folks. That's how it rolls here. Alright, so we got... Oh, that's way more than 10. That's like... What we got here? Yeah, we don't need that much. Oh, boy. Put this over here. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes I swear companies like to make you do an extra step just because it's fun for them. There. Okay. In the corner. Oh, so much for that idea. Yeah, 10 mils. What are you going to put it in that's not going to, like... Oh, you guys. I don't get it. 10 milliliters is so negotiable. It's not like this stuff is hard. There's also one last sachet, but that's not to be eaten. That's silica gel, so... I mean, I'll look again, I'm pretty sure... Yeah. Oh yeah, that's silica gel big time. So I didn't cook it, did I? No. No, I didn't cook the silica gel. Alright, well let's get it all stirred up. Alright. It smells good. It smells like smells very sweet. Okay. Now that we've taken all that time out of your precious schedule, let's stir these up. It smells like plum sauce. Hoisin. I don't know. We'll find out. Right, Miles? Wow, this is going to be an insane mukbang. This is a lot of food. Well, I'm going to give it a quick try before I do the mukbang. Not bad. Definitely needs something, and something is what it's going to get here on Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, because I'm going to do things to these noodles right now. So, they recommend, that is good. They recommend egg and scallion. And I think we're going to go a little bit further than that. So, let's go with the scallion. Scallion. All right, and we've got about an ounce of barbecue pork here. And then we have our trusty magical egg. Come on, egg. Man, let go. And where's our Caesars? Here's our Caesars. Beautiful. I prefer egg. Just a little, still a little bit jelly like that. I like it a little bit goopier, maybe. This is pretty sweet. And we need a little bit of a little bit right here. Some sesame seed, I think. That's good. And there we are. That's what I think will be the mukbang today. I just don't feel like doing, you know, just a huge plate of noodle without any kind of accompaniment. So yeah. Yeah, that's pretty tasty stuff. I'd say give it a try. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans, the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.